Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an S-Corp tax return. First, let's ensure your business qualifies. An S-Corporation must be a domestic corporation with no more than 100 shareholders. All shareholders must be individuals, certain trusts, or estates, and cannot be partnerships or corporations. Also, the S-Corp can only have one class of stock. Meeting these criteria is the essential first step. Next, gather all necessary financial documents. You'll need your income statements and balance sheets, detailing your company's financial performance. Also, collect payroll records, including W-2 forms for employees and 1099 forms for contractors. Don't forget to compile all records of business expenses and deductions, such as office supplies, rent, and utilities. Thorough documentation ensures accurate reporting. Now let's focus on the main event, completing Form 1120S, the U.S. income tax return for an S-Corporation. This form reports your company's income, deductions, gains, losses, and credits. You'll also need to prepare a Schedule K-1 for each shareholder, detailing their share of the S-Corp's income, deductions, and credits. Accuracy here is paramount for proper tax reporting. Finally, be mindful of deadlines and payments. Generally, Form 1120S is due by the 15th day of the third month following the close of your tax year. If you need more time, you can request a 6-month extension using Form 7004. Remember to pay any estimated taxes quarterly throughout the year to avoid potential penalties. Staying organized helps ensure a smooth filing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.